Hi, I'm Kathleen Matinlassi with a quality family home with elevated lake views, high ceilings, and a swimming pool. Located in a quiet cul-de-sac, the drive has level entry plus 3-car garaging and room for toys. The flow of the home is open from the living and kitchen to watch the kids play and swim. Entertaining the family and cooking up a storm keeps everyone together. Come and discover 3 separate living spaces, from the teen billiard room to the formal open lounge with wood fireplace. But wait until you come upstairs and feel the space with the high ceilings, outdoor terrace, and sparkling lake views. It feels like a retreat for the family, and the master enjoys the same views. The pool, the yard, and the home has been enjoyed by the family for 30 years, so now it's your turn. Be quick to inspect, because if you love it, you can buy it.